Let's talk about the difference between PLCs and HMIs in automation systems. First, let's look at function. A PLC, or Programmable Logic Controller, controls machinery and processes using programmed logic, while an HMI, or Human Machine Interface, serves as a user-friendly interface to monitor and control the PLC. Next, their roles. Think of the PLC as the brain of the system that executes all the commands, while the HMI acts as the communication bridge, allowing humans to interact with the system. Now, moving on to primary use. The PLC is responsible for executing commands and controlling connected devices, whereas the HMI displays real-time data like machine status or alarms and allows inputs to adjust the system. In terms of hardware, PLCs are robust industrial computers with input and output modules. HMIs, on the other hand, are display panels or touchscreens designed for user interaction. When it comes to programming, PLCs are programmed with logic, like ladder diagrams or function blocks, while HMIs are configured with design software to create visualizations. Talking about connectivity, PLCs connect directly to sensors, actuators, and other devices. HMIs, however, communicate with the PLC to display information or send control inputs. Finally, for user interaction, PLCs have limited interaction and aren't designed for direct human operation, while HMIs are designed to be user-friendly and allow operators to easily control and monitor processes. So in summary, the PLC does the heavy lifting, and the HMI makes it easy for humans to oversee and control what's happening. Together, they're the backbone of industrial automation.